Wabanzima ukuba Vuyokazi right now, and I hope her supporters are praying for her to get off this situation. So Vuyokazi finally responded to the current situation. This is what she has to say. Ibhadi lami, but it is cool. I never did anything to this baby mama. I'm only posting this because she's involving me in her issue with her baby daddy. The only thing I was doing was sending her and her daughter's allowance, which was being sent to me by Xolani to give it to her. She also posted this revenge me for what? I've been getting bullied and keeping quiet about this. So Vuyokazi, this is what she has to say. So Vuyokazi's fans went on to say that as your fans, we love you as a Vuyokazi. Oh mama kamhlopekazi no Zulu. You don't need indoda that will forever embarrass you every chance he gets, and you always be the one to come to defense Gisho Ebeta. He did a live apologizing to his baby mama, nothing about him loving his wife. Only thing we are hearing clips of him talking trash about you and dragging your name, and you still post on your story defending him. What exactly? We love you before Xolani. We want you to live is putu putu, shine on you, build your own brand. We support you with this marriage because we thought that guy was genuine. Why are you doubting us now that we won't do the same if you leave him? We fought for Usbi in the circle, only to drag down yourself again. No, Vuyokazi, this is a life without a man or marriage. Umshado will find you. Says Katele, say right. Where will you find peace not having to fight all the time? So guys, this is what Vuyokazi's fans are saying. To say, Vuyokazi, please leave him alone. As you can see, he's busy dragging you. So this, anyway guys, tell me what you think about this situation. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Sunday. Please take care.